Welcome to General Hospital News Channel. This is the latest news. General Hospital vandals teased that Cyrus Renault made some major changes at the GH, changes that could put the hospital's patients in danger. Bobby Spencer and Monica Quartermain were fired, so it was certainly a big shake. Now Britt Westbourne is back miserable as the new chief of staff of the church. Cyrus wanted to downplay the role of those with a long-standing presence at the GH, and Britt had no intention of going against him. Britt doesn't seem to want to do what Cyrus has in mind. Britt actually has some serious power, so she likes it. Meanwhile, other staff at the GH are suffering from Cyrus' decisions. Epiphany Johnson has been demoted to an administrative position, so she won't even be able to work with patients anymore. Elizabeth Baldwin no longer works full-time at church and can only accept 2 shifts per week. Of course, nurses like Epiphany and Liz have to do a lot of work in the hospital, just like Bobby and Monica did. There will likely be a lot of shake in the store soon, so all of these fluctuations look risky. General Hospital vandals point out that the patient is likely to be in danger due to Cyrus changes. With that in mind, consider how Wiley Quartermain Corinthus can be affected. The General Hospital treated Wiley's heart condition after Nell Benson Jerome kidnapped him, so they clearly had no intention of brushing that off under the rug. In fact, it could have become quite important because another surgery is imminent for Wiley. Now that Cyrus is getting rid of some of GH's best staff and downgrading others, what if there is a problem and Wiley's surgery has to be done? Wiley can't have surgery at Mercy because the program isn't called Mercy Hospital. Nobody cares what's going on there. Given the lawsuit Nell filed, it was probably better for Wiley to have the next heart surgery elsewhere, but that's not how things will go. Since Wiley explicitly requires surgery at the GH, General Hospital writers can write in a medical crisis that requires quick action. There can be an emergency that requires surgery as soon as possible. Wiley may need to check in right away at the nearest hospital, which is GH. Maybe there was some misinformation or inadequacy that threatened Wiley's life. Since the General Hospital had made a big deal about the second surgery in the past, this possibility would certainly be considered. Wiley will definitely do it, but you can bet Sonny Corinthus wouldn't be happy if her nephew was in danger. Sonny can blame Cyrus for making changes that make patients vulnerable, patients like little Wiley. This may be the last straw that really turns the war between Cyrus and Sonny. Remember to come back often so you don't miss the latest news. Goodbye.